Hi, this is Lori with LauriLin Designs. Today I am making Nag Champa Soap. This is a special order for one of the local stores in my area. I am skipping the beginning soap making process in this video so that you only see the pretty parts. If you want to see more about how I make my soaps, please subscribe to my channel and watch more of my videos. I am using micas from Wholesale Supplies Plus and Mad Micas. Today, I pre-mixed them in oil to disperse in the soap batter more quickly. My soap recipe tends to speed up when I use floral fragrances, so I'm planning ahead for that. My design inspiration came from the Nag Champa flower, which is white and yellow. Some flowers are mostly orange and red. Since the flower grows on trees, I am also pouring striped green and brown bottom layer. Today, I am using the Champaca fragrance oil from New Directions Aromatics. The scent description is a light, delicate floral, fresh air fragrance. Top notes of ozone, muguet, and champaca. Heart notes of jasmine, delicate rose, and lily of the valley. Base notes of powder and light musk. According to Wikipedia, Nag Champa is a fragrance of Indian origin. It is made from a combination of sandalwood and either champak or frangipani. Nag Champa is commonly used in incense, soap, perfume oil, essential oils, candles, and personal toiletries. It is a popular and recognizable incense fragrance throughout the world. This fragrance oil will cause the soap to darken a little bit as it cures. The photo at the end of this video is what the soap looks like after a few weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was a bright spot in your day. And remember, great soap doesn't have to be boring.